Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled beside a sparkling blue river, lived a kind boy named Leo. Leo had bright eyes and a smile as warm as the summer sun. One sunny morning, while playing near an old banyan tree, with roots that danced across the ground, Leo found something interesting. It was a dried banana leaf, a little bit crinkly, with strange faded markings on it. Leo showed the leaf to his wise old grandma, who had kind wrinkles around her eyes and loved to tell stories. Grandma smiled and carefully looked at the markings. "Leo," she said gently, "I think this is a very old message. It looks like a recipe for magical ink." She explained that the recipe used flower petals and rainwater to make ink that no one could see until it got wet. Excitedly, Leo gathered colorful flower petals, sunny yellow ones, bright red ones, and soft blue ones. He collected rainwater in a little jar. Following Grandma's instructions, he gently mashed the petals and mixed them with the rainwater. And just like that, he had a jar of clear, magical ink. He used a soft feather to draw pictures on large green leaves he found on the ground. He drew happy suns, fluffy clouds, and even a little picture of his friend Mia, who had curly brown hair and loved to laugh. The ink looked like plain water on the leaves. The next day, the sky was full of gentle gray clouds, and soft rain began to fall. Leo carefully placed his leaves on the grass. As the raindrops touched the leaves, something amazing happened. The invisible drawings began to appear. Like magic, the sun shone brightly, the clouds looked fluffy, and Mia's smiling face appeared on the leaves. Leo ran to find Mia. "Mia, Mia, come see!" he called. When Mia saw the leaves, with the pictures appearing in the rain, her eyes widened in surprise and delight. She giggled and clapped her hands. Leo shared his magical ink and leaves with Mia, and they spent the rest of the rainy day drawing secret pictures for each other that would only appear when the raindrops fell. As the rain softened to a drizzle, Leo and Mia noticed a little bluebird with a broken wing hopping sadly on the ground. Leo gently scooped up the bird. Using the last of his magical ink, he carefully drew a tiny bandage on a leaf and placed it near the bird. As a few raindrops fell, the little bandage drawing appeared. Leo and Mia understood that even though the ink was magical for making art, the real magic was in being kind and helping others. They took the bluebird home to care for it, happy that they could use their discovery for something good.
Please subscribe. Thank you.